Hey y'all! Happy 4th of July. Today is a very exciting day. I'm feeling very patriotic. We're gonna be going to a parade, watching fireworks, and y'all gonna be coming with me, so yeah. Okay, the lighting in here is low-key bad, but we're just gonna have to live with it. So I just took a shower and washed my hair. As I mentioned, we're going to parade, so I'm getting ready for that. It starts at I think like 8. Yeah, I think it's like 8. Yeah, and then the fireworks are at 9:30. So I'm gonna do my makeup real quick, and then I'm gonna do a little transition. Okay, guys, I just finished doing my makeup. I'm gonna get started on hair, and I'm gonna do another little transition video for that. So I'll be right back. Okay, y'all, here's the final look. Let me show you guys the hat that I'm gonna be wearing. So this is the hat I'm gonna be wearing, and it lights up. See, and it's very cutesy, and it has like different speeds, and it's just you know. So it is currently 7:38, and I need to be heading out. So I'll see y'all in the car. More view of the final fit. We got cute little boots too. We're on our way to a little parade. They want to say hi.
Joe just pisses me off.
They actually hate me.
Sometimes, bro, I think about you.
It's currently 7:59 and we just left the house. But it's okay, guys. Because, yeah.
Station for there, chair there. You look mean, too.
We're walking to the parade. We're gonna get ices. Yes, let's go. They dropped my freaking ice cream. Look, it's right there. We just finished. We're gonna go see the fireworks. So we're getting gas right now. Guys, so we're back home now. We went to Whataburger after because we got hungry. Yeah, you know, today was a really good day. I had a lot of fun. That's the end of the vlog. I hope you guys enjoyed. I will be filming hopefully more this summer. I think I'm gonna film during camp because I have camp at the end of this month, so yeah, I think I'm gonna film then. But yeah, that's the end of the video, you guys. I hope you guys enjoyed it, and I will see you guys in the next one. Make sure to like, subscribe, comment, you know, all of that stuff, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye.